The Silvia lineage traces its roots to 1965, a handcrafted beauty rare and romantic. But it wasn't until the 1999 to 2002 S15 generation that the Silvia reached its most refined and revered form. The SPEC R variant was the pinnacle, Nissan's love letter to those who truly feel the road. Crafted with purpose, balanced in motion, and tuned for the kind of control that turns corners into choreography. Under the hood lies a jewel, the SR20 DET, a turbocharged 2-liter inline-4. 250 horsepower, 275 Newton-meter of torque, rear-wheel drive. A 6-speed manual transmission that clicks with precise intent, every gear shift a heartbeat closer to bliss.